Welcome to Driving Performance, Volvo's all-wheel drive course. In this presentation, we'll start with a quick explanation of all-wheel drive compared with front-wheel and rear-wheel drive. You'll learn the basics of how Volvo's patented all-wheel drive system works. And of course, we'll cover the key benefits of the system, the why to buy for your customers. As you go through this presentation, keep in mind that our all-wheel drive is available for Volvo's sedans as well as our XC line. You'll also learn that all-wheel drive is not just for better traction in bad weather or poor road surfaces. It also delivers precision handling on dry roads by helping to control both oversteer and understeer. Volvo produces vehicles with advanced engineering front-wheel drive systems because we believe it offers more predictable handling and better stability on compromised road surfaces, especially when compared with some of our rear-wheel drive competitors. Volvo's strategy is to also offer all-wheel drive for enhanced traction and handling. Power is automatically delivered to the front and rear wheels wherever it is needed most. Volvo's electronically controlled all-wheel drive with instant traction is an intelligent system that automatically transfers engine power to the wheels. The process is instantaneous and seamless to customers. It does not require any involvement by the driver. When conditions call for it, our all-wheel drive can transfer power to the front or rear wheels as needed, delivering traction where it can be used most effectively. Electronic sensors automatically detect when the wheels start slipping and let the system adjust accordingly. The system monitors the vehicle's engine speed, braking, wheel rotation, torque, and throttle. It combines all this information to ensure that torque is distributed as effectively as possible for every driving situation. The system can engage and disengage in less than 100 milliseconds. That's 4 times faster than the blink of an eye. Customers won't feel the difference. All they'll notice is the smooth handling. The system never allows either the front or rear drive axles to turn faster than each other. This ensures stability, so the vehicle responds as the driver expects it to when they turn the steering wheel. Let's talk a little bit about how we got to where we are today. Volvo's intelligent all-wheel drive system uses the patented Haldex traction active on-demand coupling. The key to the Haldex system is that it interacts with the vehicle's engine, steering, braking, and chassis control systems, including dynamic stability and traction control, DSTC, and on the S60, corner traction control through torque vectoring. The first generation of Haldex used a mechanical differential speed hydraulic pump with a built-in electronic control unit. Fast forward to Haldex Generation 4, which was introduced in 2007. System pressure is now provided by an electrical motor driving a hydraulic pump. This motor-driven hydraulic pump starts as soon as the vehicle does, providing the system with pressurized oil and making sure it's ready to go as soon as your customer is. The enhanced Generation 5 incorporates the latest technology from Haldex, which is standard on all model year 13 Volvo all-wheel drive vehicles except the XC90, which kept Gen 4. Gen 5 operates just like Gen 4, but it weighs less and operates more simply than earlier systems. The pump is now a 6-piston radial pump that's direct driven by a powerful electric motor, and the lighter weight contributes to better fuel economy. The end result is that this latest generation ensures excellent handling and powerful driving characteristics that Volvo performance customers will truly appreciate. Now let's talk about the key benefits of all-wheel drive for your customers. We'll start with better vehicle traction. Volvo's system makes sure that each wheel gets the right amount of traction in the right spot as soon as it is needed. It reacts instantaneously to varying traction demands because it can split the torque in any ratio, depending on where the traction is and the throttle input. That means customers will experience instantaneous grip on all types of roads, whether it's snow-covered side streets in the north or rain-slicked highways in the south. They'll also notice better handling on curves. Our all-wheel drive system even works in reverse, which can come in handy when your customer is parking or backing down a boat launching ramp. Next, there's improved precision handling. As soon as the system notices a difference between the wheel speed in the front and rear, it immediately transfers torque as needed. When used in conjunction with DSTC, this minimizes the tendency to understeer or oversteer, so customers will experience precise and predictable handling on all road surfaces. Our all-wheel drive system enhances safety in several ways. Better traction means more confident driving in all weather and road conditions. And since all-wheel drive is fully integrated with the vehicle's braking, steering, and chassis control systems, it knows when it's needed. It's automatic. The system is even flexible and intelligent enough to accommodate wheels with uneven wear, different pressures, or different sizes. During ideal traction conditions, such as highway driving on a sunny day, Volvo's all-wheel drive vehicles perform like front-wheel drive vehicles because most of the torque is directed to the front wheels. Our system uses a 95-5 torque distribution split. 95% of the torque is sent to the front wheels, and the remaining 5% is sent to the rear. This makes handling and suspension response more predictable, so there are no surprises for the driver. It also contributes to better fuel efficiency, since there is no need for the vehicle to power both axles in situations such as highway driving at constant speed. Instant traction allows all four wheels to have torque at takeoff, so all four wheels are moving the vehicle forward. The vehicle isn't waiting for front wheel slip before applying torque to the rear wheels. The benefit is more control during acceleration. As a side note, Volvo's all-wheel drive vehicles can be towed with one axle lifted since the clutch is disengaged when the ignition is off. This is convenient for customers in the event that they need to have the car towed. The benefits of Volvo's electronically controlled all-wheel drive with instant traction are very simple: confidence and peace of mind. Our system gives drivers confidence on all types of roads and in all weather conditions. And while this is particularly useful during ice, snow, or rain, it can also prevent tires from slipping due to other road hazards, such as loose gravel, imperfections in the pavement, and road debris from plants and trees. All-wheel drive also increases driving comfort and ensures that the vehicle behaves just as the driver intends it to. Customers will get maximum control, enjoyment, and peace of mind from their vehicles when they're equipped with Volvo's all-wheel drive with instant traction.